This is a 2021 Chevy Silverado. This is the key that it has right now. It locks and unlocks, but it doesn't have a start button. So this is the correct fob for it. It does have this. So we're gonna program it using the KM100. We plugged the OBD there. We're gonna put this key and switch it to on. Gonna go VIN, auto VIN. So once you go to remote learning, it's gonna tell you to push both the lock and unlock for 8 seconds, and you're gonna hear a beep beep once the fob is programmed. So you're gonna need to do this on the original fob as well, because it deletes everything. So we're gonna go blade key, control unit, remote system, remote learning, switch to on. Okay, everything is gonna be raised. Yes. So that's the beep. So now you're gonna push on these two for 8 seconds until you hear a beeping. That's the beeping. We're gonna do the same here. We're gonna press on these two on the same time. That's the beep. And then we're gonna hit OK. Procedure complete. Okay. Let's exit. Okay, let's exit from here. And let's try each remote. Lock, unlock, the new one, lock, unlock. Let's try the start button. Beautiful. That's it. That's how you program a key fob for a 2021 and above Chevy Silverado.